Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy and I've got some happy mail, and boy do I have some happy mail. I have two big bags and they're from the same person. Two humongous bags, and they are from, I'll get this completely right, I'll look at the other one. They are from Sharon White. She did say that she had sent it to me, and that I was to look out for these two packages, and as luck would have it, I saw the postman yesterday to tell him about the fact that our road had been closed, and he said, oh, we've got these two parcels for you at the depot, but for some reason the name of the house was missing on the address, and so they didn't at the time deliver them. So at least they knew who they belonged to, and they said that they would deliver them today, unless I wanted to collect them, but I was just mega busy. So I'm in, guys, I'm in. Wow, let's have a look. Got lots of beautiful squishies. Oh look, I have some twist and shout. I do love this one. This is one of my favorite ones, and I'm really low on this one. They didn't have much in when I went to get some, but yeah, I've got some twist and shout in. There it is. Where are we? Oh my goodness, it's been so long since I've had such big parcels to open. It's exciting. Okay, so this one is called Grey Mix. I ought to remember because I just love twist and shout so much, as you all know, but it's smells like yarn. Of course it does, but you know, we all love the smell of yarn. Now this one, I've got a bit of that one's unraveling a little bit. I think the yarn band has come open, so we will got a bit of fluff attached to this one, but oh no, it's not. It's because it is Hayfield bonus chunky tweed, so it's got these. I thought it was a bit of fluff when I first saw it because I only saw one, but it's a tweed. Oh wow, I've not tried this one myself. They're 100 grams, lovely and soft. I do like Hayfield. They're owned by Sirdar, in case you didn't know. But I do, and I'm going to be stocking those in my shop. I haven't done yet because I've got so much stuff and I need to, I'm tidying it up. It's the mum in me, isn't it? It's like, oh, tuck that in. Tuck thyself in. Anyway, I digress. I will be stocking it at some point. This is called Hazel. Shade is 0104. It's called Hazel. It's lovely, isn't it? It's a nice colour. I'm trying to find some more info. Give me the info. Need the input. Here we go. 96% acrylic, 4% viscose, 150 yards, 137 meters, because it's a chunky, which is a bulky 5 to you guys across the pond. Still tucking it in there. There we go. More respectable now. Isn't that lovely? Thank you very much. And I have another one. This is the one with the broken yarn band, as you can see. So it has come a little bit undressed. So I will tidy that one up a little bit later. Hang on a minute. I've spied some more. So this one, I'm going to tidy that yarn band up. It's the same. And here we go. There's one that's in a better state of dress. And it's the same, so that's great. And we have some more twist and shout. Oh, I like it. Okay, stay. I need a bigger countertop. So this one, is the James C. Brett Baby Twinkle, but it's got kind of orange and lemon and lime flecks in it. Isn't that unusual? I like that. I've not seen this one before. Oh, that is really soft though. That is so soft. One of the twinkles I had before, it wasn't as soft as this. I can't see a twinkle. Oh yes, I can now. Now I put my light on. It's mega twinkly. 65% acrylic and 28% super soft nylon and 7% lurex. It's machine washable and it's a DK. 300 meters or 328 yards, and the shade is BTP 14. They don't have very nice names on these ones at all, and it's 100 grams. So there we go. That is very, very nice. And I now know how soft this one is, should I wish to order it for my shop next time. Thank you very much. This is absolutely lovely. Oh, now this one I've not ever used and I've never come across. It's called Happy Sheep. I do like that. That is cute. Isn't that just the cutest? It's an Aran. It's a navy blue kind of colour. Let's see. It is called Ensign Blue. Ensign. And it's 1028. No sheep were sheared to make this yarn, so rest assured they're all warm and snuggly in their own woolly jumpers tonight. I guess that means it's acrylic. Let's have a look. 100 grams, 100% acrylic Aran, 200 meters. That's lovely. And you know I'm a big blue fan, so that's definitely going to get some use. And I can see there's another one. I might make something for Gary out of this, because I do have rather a lot. 3, 4 of those. They're definitely going to get used. Oh, hang on. And I have some more hazel. Another 2, in fact. And there's something else in the bottom. A little bag. And a little note. And that's the first one. There's no other note now. And we've got a little bag. And it's got, whoa, hooks and stuff. Oh, in this side. And they are kind of snazzy. Look at these. Look at that one. It's got gold, kind of. And look at this one. This one reminds me of the Susan Bates. It could very well be. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? And these ones as well, look. Wow. These are Addy hooks. I've never used these. These are going to be interesting. Wow, thank you very much. I am really blown away. Sent me all your bits. It's so cute. Thank you. I'll put these ones in that little section. This is only half the case. Let's have a look at the other half, just in case. I'll zip that one up. And in here we've got, this is just places for, I would say knitting needles, would you? Maybe. Lots of space. That's nice. Thank you very much. It's got a lovely feel to it. It's really, really nice feel. Little deers on the front. That's the first bag. Now, to get at the second bag, I'm going to knock the first bag down. Let's have it. Oh, wow. Hang on. It's a little bit quite pale. Hi Tracy, hope you like the Happy Mail. Thank you for all the tutorials from Sharon. That's lovely. Thank you very much. I love the Happy Mail, thank you. And I'm only halfway through. Landslide. Got my scissors at the ready to get through the bag. There we go. I managed to do it without knocking the yarn down. So if I attack the corner, it should be... Will this come apart? No. I don't obviously want to cut anything I shouldn't. Attack the corner. I'm in, but no, I'm safe to cut that area. I had a good feel inside. It's just bubble wrap, interior sort of thing. Yep, nothing there. Got to be careful because there's things quite high up. Oh, it's inside a bag. This one. What have we got here? Red Heart Super Saver Ombre. I have to get it out of this bag and have a look. Am I patient enough to undo the knot? Have my fingers dexterous enough after my mega long sleep? If you watched my Rocks chat this morning, then you will know that I didn't get up till 11 o'clock. State of shock. At least my postman doesn't come early. He caught me in the shower though. Whoa, look at these colours. Oh wow, that is a mega ball, isn't it? So this is Red Heart Super Saver Ombre. There is a pattern on the inside for this this shawl. At the first glance I thought that was Donna Wolf. Anywho, it's not. Let me see if I can find the bits and bobs. Free pattern from Yarnspirations. This is Sweet Treat. Ducur Tratto Dolce. Oh, that's just that in another language, isn't it? Sweet Treat. And let me see if I can find any more info. I'm not used to looking at these yarn bands, guys. It's the first a big ball of red hot super save I've ever had. Medium 4, so it's an Aran. It's machine washable. It's 100% acrylic. It's lovely though, isn't it? Look at those colours. I like it. Wow, thank you so much. Absolutely. Oh wow. And we got some Bernat Pop. Wow. I'm very lucky. Very lucky, me. Thank you very much. Oops, upside down. Of course it is. It wouldn't be me if it wasn't. That was a bit scary, wasn't it? Won't do that again. Okay. This is called Snow Queen. And it's a Aran weight, 100% acrylic, 140 grams, which is 280 yards or 256 meters. But it's beautiful colours. Look at that. Did I tell you the colour? Yeah, it's Snow Queen, wasn't it? Or was that the last one? No, this one, Snow Queen. Isn't it lovely? It does actually remind me of Frozen. You know, the programme. Oh, and there's another one. Another Bernat Pop. I've actually always wanted to use Bernat Pop. So, whoa, this is beautiful. Hello, beautiful. It's sealed. I don't think I can get in. Oh, maybe I can. Maybe I can't. Yep, hang on. I'm going to put it on the shelf anyway. So said I wasn't going to do that again. Sorry, I'm just excited. I'm just excited. Okay, let's get in. You're going to love the colours of this one because as soon as I saw it, I was like, whoa, look at those. Isn't that just gorgeous? It is, isn't it? Oh my Lord, this is Mandala Baby by Lion Brand. It's Lion Brand, isn't it? Yeah, I'm not talking out my butt for a change. And this is called Magic Moon. Magic Moon. Oh, it's beautiful. Really is. Thank you so much. It is lovely. Now, is this the yards? God, it's really small. Could you write that any smaller? Yeah, probably could, actually. Wouldn't help me none. Oh, there we go. 150 grams, 590 yards, 540 meters, 100% acrylic. And it's beautiful, isn't it? I mean, I'm just, I love those colours. I am a big sucker for mauves and purples. I really love it. And oh, look. Is it the same? I think it is. Let me find the little, I can't remember where it says it. I believe it is the same, just at a different part of the wind. Oh, hang on. No, it isn't. Yes, it is. Magic Moon. I was reading the foreign bit. So that's it, guys. Isn't that beautiful, though? Look. I'm absolutely in love with this. 2 of them, in fact. Goodness gracious, I've been spoiled. I love it. I love it all, actually. And it's so good because I've not actually had one of these before. And I've never, ever seen this colour in there. And I've never had Bernat Pop. So that's a new one for me. And I've never had Happy Sheep. Happy Sheep, where did they come from? Well, they come from Happy Sheep. And the Twinkle, I really love this. That's beautiful. I'm going to make something for a baby out of that. And not to forget some of my favourite yarn from here, from the UK. And this tweed one as well. I've definitely got enough to make something really nice. Possibly for Gary in the blue. What about the tweed? Maybe. He likes things to be ultra manly. You know, he's not into these modern beanies that you see where they kind of look like unisex beanies. He's not really into that. He likes his things to look like old-fashioned manly. So those are good colours for him. Well, Sharon, thank you. You've really blown me away. Isn't it beautiful? Thank you so much. What do you think, guys? Wow. I need to just now find homes. As luck would have it, I have an empty cubby there and a half empty cubby there. So I've been having a bit of a move around and sort out. And so I've got some spaces. And I've got spaces in the other room, so I can fill them up now. Thank you very much. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.